What is the best weight loss program 1 month from Herbalife Nutrition? Hi everybody, this is Jane here from Authentic Energy. I am your body and mind transformation coach. So I'm going to show you guys what is the most popular weight loss program from Herbalife today. Okay, so we have 3 different packages that we always recommend to our clients here and our members here. We always start from the basics because remember, in Herbalife we have cellular nutrition. Cellular nutrition is our key. Our body is made up by trillions and trillions of cells, right? So in order to be healthy and stay in good shape, we have to feed our cells with 114 nutrients. And you cannot find those 114 nutrients from the type of food that you eat, because that means you will have to eat a lot. So what we have here is we condense the 114 nutrients into Formula 1, Formula 2, and Formula 3. Formulated by Herbalife Nutrition only. You cannot find that outside. Only here in Herbalife Nutrition, you have the 114 nutrients available from our Cellular Nutrition, Formula 1, Formula 2, Formula 3. Okay, now weight loss. You know, I always talk about the fact that we have to be healthy before we lose the weight, right? So the Formula 1, 2, 3 actually helps our body get the essential nutrients in from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, well, I'm not talking about drinking the shakes and eat the tablets all day, right? Those are the things that are here to boost our nutrition. We still have to eat, which is why when you're working with a Herbalife coach, the coach actually gives you the meal plan together with our amazing nutrition program. Okay, so let's take a look. We have our Formula 1, the shake, okay, and then Formula 2, the multivitamin. Why do we take the multivitamin? Because the multivitamins help our body metabolize fats, protein, and carbohydrates. Okay, and we have Formula 3. A lot of you guys probably don't know much about Formula 3, the cell activator. This is a really, really good antioxidant for the body. So no matter what you do, no matter what your goal is, whether if your goal is to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain weight, or just to improve your nutrition, we always start everybody from Formula 1, 2, and 3. And then now, we're talking about weight loss today, right? So we have to add in the aloe vera and also the tea. These 2 things are going to help you guys get started day amazingly. So when we wake up in the morning, our first step is to drink the aloe vera. 1 full glass and also 3 caps of aloe vera concentrate together. That helps our body cleanse and gives our body the internal shower. If you want to know more about the 3 steps to take the morning breakfast with Herbalife Nutrition, you can check out my video from here. That's actually very popular. A lot of you guys love that video from me, which I made many years ago, but it's timeless, okay? And then you have the tea, okay? Our second step is the tea. This herbal tea helps your body burn fat all day and gives you all the energy you need, okay? So after step 2, we're gonna go and make the shake, our Formula 1 shake, which gives your body more than 20, vitamins, and also gives your body the really well portioned macronutrients, the fats, protein, and the carbs. And it's very low in sugar, okay, but high in nutrients. So instead of eating whatever you are currently eating, replace all that with the shake, okay? So remember our breakfast 3 steps, aloe, tea, shake, and then we move on to Formula 2, the multivitamin. After you finish the shake, take 2 tablets of the multivitamin and then take just 1 capsule of the cell activator of Formula 3. Okay, so now you're thinking, how many times do I do this? Very simple. Breakfast, 1 time a day. Okay, so breakfast, aloe, tea, and shake. You just replace everything that you eat currently with aloe, tea, and shake. Okay, once a day. And then with the Formula 2, you take that 3 times a day, 2 tablets each time after the meal. And then with the cell activator, it's twice a day. So you can actually time yourself like once in the morning and then once in the evening, okay? Right, so what happens? You're like, okay, so this is a good start, right? Because this is our basic program, which is 1 month, okay? And if some of you guys want to see a faster result, like, okay, how can I see even like a better result? Because Jane, I have, bloating issues. I have digestive problems, and, I don't have time to eat properly outside of like, breakfast or something like that, or outside of our nutrition club. Then no problems. Okay, we have the boosters for you. So if you're someone who's always lacking energy, you want to be more energetic, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add in the total control. Okay, the total control is so amazing. It helps you actually relieve the fatigue, and it actually helps you kind of like have very long lasting energy all day. And this actually helps the body burn fat as well. So after the breakfast, you can take 2 tablets of the total control. We normally recommend taking this up to two times a day. Okay, so the total control, and also adding the protein drink mix. Okay, you can mix the protein drink together with Formula 1 in your shake, and also you can take that after your exercise as well. And then sometimes some of you guys want, just want to have a light meal, or you don't really get to eat at all because of your busy schedule. Then what we recommend is, instead of skipping your meal or eat crap from outside, make a shake. So you can actually replace 2 meals a day without shakes, and that's going to give your body all the nutrients and energy you need, and without consuming the empty calories, and without putting all the crap into your body. So during weight loss program, your first 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, usually we recommend 1 to 3 months to see a really good result. So during your weight loss journey, we definitely recommend you guys to replace firstly your breakfast with our program, and then when you feel ready, you want to see a faster result, you can actually replace either lunch or dinner with another shake. So 2 shakes a day plus 1 meal. All right, so how about our folks who have like bloating issues, right? You can also add in the active fiber. Okay, right, so active fiber is really amazing because, say for someone like me, I used to have IBS. When I actually drink the fiber, this is actually a powder form. So you can mix the powder with warm water together with your aloe vera in the morning. Oh my God, that actually pushes away all my constipation problems, and also it pushes away my bloating problems. It really works like magic. So those of you guys who are suffering from constipation, bloating, and also indigestion, or you're someone who doesn't like to eat, vegetables and fruits, fiber. Okay, and it's very easy, it's very flexible. You can mix the fiber in your shake in the morning, or you can mix the fiber with your aloe vera as your first drink that and give your body the wash. Or if you're someone who can't remember all this, don't worry, our coaches will give you all the instructions. You can actually just make the fiber drink any time of the day. If you remember, like if you're in the office after lunch, you can make yourself a hot beverage, or warm or cold, and mixing the apple fiber. It's actually very delicious because it's apple flavored, and just drink that instead of drinking soda. That's gonna give your body the extra fiber boost, and it's amazing for cleansing your gut system. Okay, so you guys got that right. Our basic program here, Formula 1, 2, 3, the tea and the aloe vera. Okay, for faster result, we call the advanced weight loss result, adding the protein, adding the total control, and adding the fiber. That's gonna get rid of most of your common problems, like headaches and bloating and not enough nutrients, not enough protein, and whatever issues that you have. This is what we recommend here. I hope you guys got a lot of values out of today's video and understand how the 1 month weight loss program works from Herbalife Nutrition. If you have any questions, feel free to write your questions in the comment below. I look forward to hearing from you guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because this year I am dedicated to making videos 3 times a week. Now it's changed to 3 times a week, to help you guys transform your body and mind and spirit. Okay, so I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.